afternoon. My name is Sargeant. I'm actually one of the students who would have actually done the mobile app development course here at eTech Training. I'm here to present my project, which is called Unit Converter 246. 246 being obviously the Barbados area code. That's the differentiator. Given that when I did a check on the Google Play Store, there's a number of unit converters, so I was trying to get a unique identifier. The reasoning behind the app is from time to time I need to do various conversions, and while there are some applications out there that do that, most of them tend to be filled with ads unless you actually purchase like a premium version. So I decided to actually create my own, given that the concept behind unit conversion is not very complex. I mean, it's just trying to understand the formulas behind what you're actually converting to and from. So this is the opening screen for the application. And there's various categories of conversions that can be done: metric, length, weight, and cooking. I'll just go into the various ones and just show you how it works. So we're going to go into metric, and the first thing you see is a drop down where you actually have to choose the type in terms of what you're converting to and from. So these are the options that are available on the metric. We're going to start with inches to centimeters as the first one, but I just wanted to show that there's some basic error checking that's built in, where if you actually don't select something and you do a convert, it will give you a prompt, or if you try to, or if you select something but you don't put in any values, it'll give you another prompt, basically just instructing you as to what you really need to do. So that is in the application. So we're going to do inches to centimeters, and you have two options. You basically just fill up the value of what you want to convert from. So if you want to go from inches to centimeters, I'll put in the number of inches, click on convert, and it does the conversion to centimeters. There's a reset button to clear the entries. I can put in the centimeters, convert, and it'll go back to inches. So it gives you the flexibility once you select the main type from the drop down. And as I said, on the metric, we have a couple feet to centimeters, meters to feet, meters to inches, kilometers to meters, kilometers to miles. So we'll reset here. 20 kilometers, convert. 74.2 miles. So it shows you the result here. You have a back button that can take you back to the main menu, and I've also created what I call quick links, where you can also just jump to a particular category while you're on a sub screen, rather than always having to go back to the main screen and then select an option. So we're going to go into length. Screens are similar, except you just have the entries for this one here. So under length, we have feet to inches, yard to feet, mile to feet, and mile to yard. So we can go here. And you get the conversion. We have pounds to ounces, ton to pounds, ounces to kilograms, pounds to kilograms. I mean, you got some common ones that person should be familiar with there. Or if you go here, a kilogram. So all of the functionality is there. The last one, cooking, is an interesting one. And what I did was to put in some common cooking conversions: tablespoon to teaspoon, cup to teaspoon, cup to tablespoon, cup to quarts, pint to cup, quart to pint, and gallon to quarts. And all of the various options are functional. So The application is pretty straightforward in terms of what it does, and I'm pretty pleased in terms of being able to get it completed uh, in the time frame that was specified. So that is it in terms of the application, and I am now ready to field any questions that persons have.